Did you know the FBI agent in charge of catching Russian spies was secretly the biggest Russian spy in American history? Robert Hanssen spent 22 years inside the FBI. His job was to find Soviet moles, to build the systems that would catch them. He knew every trap, every method, every blind spot, and he used all of it to feed the KGB everything they needed. He handed over the names of double agents working for the United States. At least 3 of them were executed. He revealed nuclear war response plans. He even told Moscow about a secret tunnel the FBI had dug beneath the Soviet embassy in Washington. For 2 decades, the man designing the net was the hole in it. No internal investigation ever touched him. No surveillance caught him. The system he helped build never saw him coming. In the end, the FBI paid a Russian intelligence source $7 million for a file. Inside, it were Hanssen's fingerprints. The greatest spy hunter in Bureau history was finally found the same way he started. Someone took the money.